Environmental sequence stratigraphy takes the best practices sequence stratigraphy and facies models that were developed over decades in the petroleum industry to improve the bottom line and apply those to create better approaches for groundwater assessment and remediation. Many groundwater contamination sites have been under investigation for many decades by many different entities, consultants, maybe dozens of different geologists looking at information coming out of the earth in terms of well logs or borings, samples coming up. And they may have described those in slightly different ways. And the subsurface, that is the aquifers, may have been characterized in a way that doesn't really do justice to the true complexity of that subsurface environment. And so when we come and perform an environmental sequence stratigraphy project, what we do is we go back to those original data and we have a unique way of formatting those logs that have been acquired over maybe multiple decades to normalize that information so it can be interpreted in terms of the geologic sequence of events that laid those materials down from bottom to top, or maybe from left to right, over the geologic history that formed that aquifer, and then have a clearer view of how groundwater is likely to be moving or not moving in parts or other parts of that aquifer system. This can help in all phases, from early investigation phases in terms of framing the expectations for how the aquifer is organized, to remedy planning, also in assessing potential risk for off-site migration or to a receptor such as a domestic drinking water supply well or a municipal water supply well, or an ecological receptor such as a stream, lake, or the ocean. It helps to close sites because any better understanding of the hydrogeologic system, the groundwater system, the fate and transport of the contaminants, and then we have an understanding of the site and what the real risks are and what is actually necessary to protect human health and the environment.